IG Leads. AI is a game changer in the world of AI-driven marketing tools, and if you're wondering whether it's the right choice for your business, stick with me because I'm about to reveal 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released software. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether IG Leads AI can boost your digital marketing game. So let's dive in. First, let me tell you this. IG Leads AI is built to solve one of the biggest challenges in the digital marketing space: lead generation on Instagram. If you're someone who's trying to grow your business or brand on Instagram, you've probably spent hours searching for ways to capture high-quality leads. This software can automate that process in a way that's smarter, faster, and more efficient than what you're likely used to. What stands out right away is its ease of use. Unlike other AI tools that require a steep learning curve, IG Leads AI makes it simple to set up and start using immediately. You don't need to be a tech genius to figure it out, which is a huge plus. Once you link your Instagram account, the AI will analyze your target audience and generate leads by engaging with users who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Another major advantage of IG Leads AI is its powerful targeting capabilities. This tool allows you to laser focus on your ideal audience by narrowing down by factors like location, interests, and engagement levels. This precision ensures that the leads you get are not only plentiful, but also highly relevant to your business. Now, the next thing you need to know is that IG Leads AI doesn't just capture leads and let them sit there. It automates the follow-up process too. The software can send direct messages, follow users back, and even like posts, all on your behalf. This helps you stay active and visible without constantly having to be glued to your phone. One of the most impressive features is its integration with CRM systems. IG Leads AI seamlessly syncs with popular CRM platforms, making it easier for you to manage leads and track performance in real time. This integration can save you a lot of time and help you streamline your entire lead management process. If you're concerned about the safety of using AI on your Instagram account, IG Leads AI is designed with strict security protocols to ensure your account stays protected. There's no need to worry about violating Instagram's terms of service. The software uses safe methods for engagement, so your account won't be at risk of getting banned. The software is also incredibly scalable. Whether you're a small business owner just starting out or you're running a large-scale marketing campaign, IG Leads AI can scale with your needs. The AI can handle increasing workloads and adapt to your growing business, which means you don't need to worry about outgrowing the tool anytime soon. Lastly, IG Leads AI is absolutely free to try. You can test out the software and see how it fits into your business before committing. If you're interested, make sure to check the first link in the description below to start your free trial. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and IG Leads AI is definitely one of my top recommendations for Instagram lead generation. If you're looking to automate your marketing, capture high-quality leads, and save time, this software is worth checking out. After you've given it a try, you can also find my recommended AI tools in the description for more free trials that can take your digital marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links below to explore more AI tools that can help you grow your business.